We have decreased our maintenance budget to like 30% yearly. We are now efficiently planning the maintenance activities and have reduced the breakdown by 50%. Now we have good data to predict spare part requirements ahead of the time.
I'm Mudassir Salim and I'm the Technical Director of Candle and Baking Thread. We have been using the Titan product for the last 5 years now.
Before the Titan, our maintenance budget was very high, and now we have decreased our maintenance budget to like 30% yearly. We are now efficiently planning the maintenance activities and have reduced the breakdown by 50%. Spare parts availability was a major concern before Titan. If we had any breakdown in our machine, then we have to send someone to the market to bring the part. Now we have good data to predict spare part requirements ahead of the time. One of the biggest problems with every company is maintenance tends to create a heavy dependency on individual employee. They have been doing the same thing for a long time now, and they have become a star in that. And they also have a problem that they don't share the knowledge with other persons. So maintenance after Titan, we have sort this problem out because the maintenance gives us all the data. After Titan, we have broken this culture and we have eliminated the dependencies. We also control the spare part theft problem after implementing Titan.
Managing the maintenance department of an industry that has more than 2000 machineries was a massive task before Titan implementation. On average, more than 150 maintenance activities were being done daily, and all of them were recorded on paper. Maintenance activities gets too much delays because of dependencies on high value sources for specific maintenance activities. We have almost 150 employees in our maintenance team, and managing them and making sure that everything is followed properly was quite hectic. After implementation of Titan CMS, maintenance task stream was managed very well. Every engineer could see his daily activities or daily task on his dashboard, and it is also tracked very well that if he has done his job properly or not. We have standardized the maintenance procedures by using Titan. This enabled knowledge sharing very easy. Now all maintenance engineers can do the activities by looking at the maintenance procedures stored in Titan, or they can look at the history of fixes applied earlier on that machine. And so we have very less dependencies on high value sources for specific maintenance activities. We have better utilization of resources now. If any scheduled maintenance is getting delayed or if there is any critical problem, the management is right away informed through email or SMS. Overall, there are very less downtime now, and every time to repair is also very less.
So in the end, I would say that maintenance is a very tough job without good CMS like that.